Welcome to another showing of the Cocktail Enthusiast with myself, the Cocktail Enthusiast. Today we're trying a simple little twist on a classic cocktail I haven't tried just yet. We're looking at how to make a cinnamon French 75. Let's go. And always remember, if you like what you're about to see, hit that like button, click that subscribe button so I can continue to give you, the viewer, that entertaining juice, that flavor, that oh my God, oh yeah. Now let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want sparkling wine of your choice, cinnamon syrup, gin, lemon juice, a lemon, and today's glass of choice, a flute. First, you want to grab a chilled flute out the freezer. Next, you want to pour in 1 ounce of gin. After this, you're going to follow up with a half of an ounce of lemon juice. Then, you're going to pour in 1/4 of an ounce of cinnamon syrup. Now let's go ahead and top off with your sparkling wine. Lastly, for our garnish, we're just going to fit on a lemon twist. Man, let me tell you, that subscribe button's looking real good right now. Real good. And now, it's time for the taste rating. Here we go again. Now I will say right from the bat, it doesn't really look like much of a cinnamon French 75, but you know what? I want to believe that the addition of the cinnamon syrup will make a difference. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. Just gonna get rid of the garnish as usual. Shit. You know, it takes a while. It takes about 2 seconds for the cinnamon to hit. It's a very interesting combo. Like, the first initial taste is French 75 right away. And then the cinnamon just comes in and says, hello, I'm here. You know, like it reminds you that it is definitely in there. I like this. This is an interesting combo. It's almost unearthly. I feel like this should not exist. I really feel like this shouldn't exist, but it's good. And that's the weird thing. It's odd, but it's good. But don't take my word for it. You take that sip and love life. No, seriously. Take that sip because it's actually really good. So you can expect to see my next video next week. As always, I've been consistent. I've been giving you that good on a regular. But until then, sink your teeth into this cocktail. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't in the comment section below, because I can take both ends of the spectrum. And always remember, I'm not a bartender or a specialist. I'm just a cocktail enthusiast making some good ass cocktails and having a good ass time. Fuck. There we go. Depending on when this video goes up, I may have created that sit down video that I've been mentioning for the past umpteen weeks now. So look forward to that. I also want to get a reaction video going on at some point, but first I got to do the sit down video. I got to live up to my promise on that. Then we're going to do the reaction. Well, sorry, not a reaction. I'm out of my mind right now. I want to do a try not to laugh challenge where I watch like a video about drunk people doing some stuff and see if I cannot laugh. And if I do laugh, I take a shot, something along those lines. I'll get the logistics figured out. But until then, I'm gonna finish this cocktail, enjoy the rest of my day, and I'll see you guys next week for that new cocktail. Take it easy, enjoy your week, stay safe, stay healthy, drink some water every now and then. You need it, stay hydrated, hydro homie. Yeah. Until the next video.